Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Making sure the music is off. That's a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas. This is the shovel I would usually apply my paint with. I have had these coffee measuring spoons, 2 tablespoons, hanging around for a long time, and I'm going to use them to put my white, Anita's white metallic. In the meantime, I'm going to use, that one's not clean. Well, I don't need that side, so I'll just pick that paint off. This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Usually the best paint spreading tool around, but I was so clever and put the paint around the shovels. It's probably not going to be as easy as I wish it was. I had already painted the edges of this canvas. I am using my turntable to facilitate time. And it looks like I do have enough paint. And I might have a little more than enough paint, but that's still going to be okay because I'm going to be swiping. And all I know at the moment is that I'm going to start with the white metallic, and from there it's going to become whatever it's going to become, because I've got all my favorite colors next to me, but I haven't chosen anything other than the hot orchid, which is my logical first choice. I'm going to leave that in case I need it. I had a little extra paint, so I'm going to just, it may look like I'm pouring it out of the Anita's metallic bottle, but I'm not. It's already mixed. I suppose I should just do one of these at a time. And when I did this yesterday, am I going to be able to do this? I'm just going to do it. And I'm going to only use one. And maybe, right now, because I can, I'll just tip that. I might discover a whole new way of doing stuff. You never know. Let's tip that down so it completely goes to the edge. Blow on it and make sure it really goes all the way to the edge. So that's an interesting start. Let's do the same thing from the other side. Now I know I've used, that's not quite 2 tablespoons, but it's an interesting concept for me. Just going to let that drain just like it would be draining if it were a shovel. Right over the side. Didn't use up all my paint, that's okay. If I want more, I know where to get it. Just going to let that spread just like the other one did. Maybe let a little bit of it push back. I've got a slightly cut card. I think I'm going to do the simplest thing possible. I hope. This might be super simple. I'm going to use some Decor Americana 24 karat gold, because it makes nice cells, but I'm also using a Meeden black paint, which is really nice and black. And I am going to grab myself a little bit of my Amsterdam black that has Minwax, yes, Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner in it. Not sure if you can see that or not. You might be able to. I've noticed from time to time. And I'm just going to go, I need to scrape this, yes, and I have one. I have a few too many things in my way. So I want to leave some of the white in case I want to pull some of that. There's some nice cells for you. Wow. Beauty. Pull those right down there and over the edge. Scrape again. This might be super fast and it might be super simple. And I might want to dribble some stuff. I also might want to use my card to pull some things around, which is something I do like to do. Just connect some shapes a little bit. I want to try just the white ones. Not that impressed. Let's go back. Grab some more black. Go right up through there. This is going to be neat, I can tell. Or at least I hope. Just gold and pink. I like that the canvas is dry and black underneath the blacks that I just added, because that means that I can do what I want without scraping down to white canvas. I'm going to keep scraping that paint off right along the bottom edge. Probably you can't see. This is so simple. Makes me want to leave that. And if I did, maybe what I want to do, sorry about the bang, is grab a whole bunch of that paint and I just let it pour right into the dish right over the edge, which is kind of an interesting idea. I don't know if that's going to sell or not. I do have that paint in my dish and it is calling to me. So there's no guarantee I won't go there. If I do go there, I kind of want to go down, kind of want to go up from here. And just use it. Because if you don't tell anybody I did that, they'll never know. I don't think that's a problem anyway. But whatever else I want, I've got the paint to do something with it if I want to. I kind of like, I kind of more than like, I kind of love the way the hot orchid feathers out and dendrites. I think I'm done. I think this is just plain and simple and fun. And you can't trust me when I say I'm done. Because I've got beautiful paint and an appointment at 5:15, which is only less than an hour away. Come on. I know I can get a drop out of that. I don't think I want a lot of dots, but I don't think a few is going to hurt me either. Or maybe I'll just drag them. Drag a few tendrils or create a few tendrils by not dragging. And there, I've used up my paint. I want to tell you guys thank you for all the inspiration you provide me. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you are somebody who wants to help keep me painting all this time, if you want to help keep me painting, please by all means check out the exhibition video on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds, and it'll show you what the prizes are for those of you who donate to help keep the studio producing videos, which I very much appreciate. And if you do, you'll be automatically entered. If you use PayPal or Patreon, PayPal is my preference. You'll be automatically entered when you do that. I am going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm probably going to look for any more little places where this extremely expensive but well worthwhile paint is dripping off, and maybe add it back to places that need it. And otherwise, I'm pretty happy with all of that. That was simple and fun, and I'm so glad you joined me. If you have any questions for me, feel free to ask me. I'm happy to answer your questions when I can. When I can't, I'll let you know. I have Linktree below the video. Has Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, my website, my Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more. This is for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America via the Shop Now button. I now have Le Gallerist, which is going to have some really nice new fashions. I already have 3 designs that make up a bunch of beautiful things. But I just added 4 more today. And I can't wait to see what they look like. I'm so totally stoked. If you're looking for something more economical, look for the Teespring clothing below the video. There's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts there. And if you like my videos, know that there are 2,000 of them and 19 lists of 100 and more by topic and genre. And if you're interested in knowing what tomorrow's video is, the community board on my YouTube channel or Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group will usually show you. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for my morale boosting comments. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Please share my videos if you get a chance. The longer you watch them, the more likely I am to have the good placement on YouTube. When you watch the commercials, you help me buy art supplies. And the Amazon link is a great place to start shopping from. You can shop for anything on Amazon from my link, and it eventually helps me, and it's at no added cost to you. So thank you. Thank you for everything. I'm sure I'm forgetting something. I just can't remember what it is, and I'm looking right at the list. And oh, my email address, darn. My email address is a great way to contact me should you be interested in purchasing an artwork or in having a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I'm glad I figured that out. Duh. My paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More under the video, it opens up and drops down a whole menu of stuff. And check out my Linktree for all kinds of cool stuff. Check out my Amazon link for even more cool stuff. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Really happy that you joined me, and I love this. Maybe even I should go ahead and see if I can find some cells to focus on. Because they are there. They're just not showing up in the picture. It's probably my eyes. More than likely. You guys, I'll see you and on. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm sure I've said that more than once. I love you. I don't mind telling you that again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.